Guys, as you can see, we are back in sunny Bolton, and right here in front of me used to stand a gargantuan set of mills called Beehive Mills. Now, I actually infiltrated them 3 or 4 years back, and pretty much I've just come by on the bus, and the one remaining thing that remains is the old gatehouse, which you can see just there at the bottom of the street. So I actually clocked that the door is indeed open, so I'm going to jib the fence and hopefully we can infiltrate. But I'm trying to place whereabouts. We've got a bus stop here, and I know that I shot somewhere here, so I'm hoping I can get a bit of a transition as to where it used to be. So hopefully you're now looking at some of that old footage while I'm just pottering on down road. But that's pretty much what it used to look like, guys. If you want to see the original video, just check in the comments. But now we're going to bob down the street and see if we can indeed gain access into the old gatehouse, the last remaining part of Bolton's Beehive Mill. If you look just over the road here as well, I've actually just noticed something pretty cool. Let's just bob you over here, wait for this car to go by. If you look there, we've got Beehive Road leading to Cotton Drive, Loom Close and Keeper's Walk. How mint is that? So they did try and retain some of the heritage after all. Yeah, if you look there, guys, I'm not sure off the top of my head where it would have been, but what I'll do is just pan you round. We'll shoot up to the sky and then we'll transition. Sorry about the wind as well, guys, but if you look over there, there was once I believe it was United Utilities water place. It's getting quite windy now, but right here, just up above, we stood up on the roof and looked over it during its demolition. I think it had actually been demolished, if I remember correctly, but that is now what stands in its place. If you look there, guys, there is the old gatehouse, clearly accessible. Got a bit of a crowd over the road though. See the old halal meat and superstore there, but I believe right here at the end, well, it's all been changed now, the road's been done up and that, but somewhere right here is where we infiltrated last time. I believe it was over that wall there, unless there was another little section of it sticking out. But it was somewhere right there, so I may have had a wider angle camera back in the day. Drop back a bit and see if we can transition to an old pick. Might not be bang on, but it'll do. I hope it works, but yeah, I remember we jibbed over this this fence here, but for now we're gonna go down the back and see if we can infiltrate down this way. Look at that, man, the old chimney pot still clinging on. You can see a bit of plant life growing it, gutting it. Let's do it. Alright, kid. Don't think you want to come in here, mate. It's a bit dangerous for you. You want to be careful. As you can see, we've made it in. So someone has come to join me, which isn't a very good thing. You don't want to go in here, mate, eh? Yeah. It's very dangerous, you know. Very dangerous. Don't follow me in. Yeah. Alright, mate. Don't follow me in, kid. Pretty much that gate was wide open for me, luckily enough. Go on, mate, don't follow me. Dangerous, kid. Go on. You go back down there, mate. So I'm gonna jib over here and have a little peek. I'll take you in through the old front doors and see what remains. Looks like it's open anyway. Oh yes. We are in, guys. Absolute gold. Look at that. Yeah, pretty much like I was saying, this is the old section, the old gatehouse that I never got in last time we came. Hey up. Looks like the pigeons have moved in. Just look at that. I'm glad there's still a bit of the old wood panelling left. I know it doesn't look too old, but probably a later addition. If you look up there though, you can see the old skylight. I reckon the old night watchman would have came in here, letting people in early bells back in the day. Because I don't know if you remember on the original video we did, we actually found the old night watchman's quarters, which was, to be honest, that was my favourite bit of the original Explore. Just look at that, guys. Even in all its dereliction, it still looks quite grand. I hope that little nipper hasn't followed me anymore. People are going to be thinking I'm a right creepy bastard. Coming out of an abandoned building for a kid. You can see right out onto the main road there. Let's venture through into the darkness. You'll have to let me know also, guys, how the stabilisation is on this one, because this is a spur of the moment explore, and I'm shooting it on a mobile phone. Quality little old school fireplace there. Let me just change that torch so it's on a brighter beam for you. Hopefully that should be alright. I'll take it slow because I believe in the darkness. The stabilisation isn't too clever. Yeah, just a one-off room. Although there is some kind of hatch on the wall here. Let's have a look at that. There you go, guys. What do you reckon that were for? Any ideas? If you ever worked in here, give us a shout. Because I know I got a big response. Well, to be honest, every time I do a video in Bolton, I always get a big response. It's one of the best places for me. Oh my lord, look at that. I didn't realise, guys, but look at that there. John Crook, maker, 25 Churchgate, Bolton. Let's pull that back. Look at that, man. So we are actually stood in the original safe. And I never even realised that. Is quite incredible, that is. I think we may have someone who's come to join us, or someone's lobbed something in anyway. How cool is that though? If you look there, you can see an original motif on the window and the old net curtains clinking on for dear life. We can't believe that though, I never even noticed, but yeah, look at that. It's the actual safe. I thought it was just a random door, man. So we push through now into the next section. Pretty cool that lot there. I'm so glad I actually came past at the top deck of a bus and I clocked the entrance point there, so I thought I'm having some of that, man. The very last remaining bit of Beehive Mill. So I hope my transition was decent at the beginning as well. See an old broken door there too. Yeah, let me know how the phone looks as well, guys. Because wow, look at that. Alright, mate. Oh wow. Yeah, I believe that up there used to be a glass dome, I think. Sure, I've seen a photograph of it. If I can find one to use off somebody, I will overlay it. If not, then I'm sure you'll be able to find one. But if you look on the floor, I think that is what remains of what would have been the old, or an old fire surround. If you look there, you can see an old lavatory. Bit of the broken sink there. If we push into here, possibly some kind of office back in the day. You can see where they've added this partition wall here, and the original window is still awkwardly sat behind. Oh no, it's not. It's like a little weird indentation. That's gotta have been added at a later date. Yeah. But look at that, man. It's pretty cool. And to be honest, I've not actually done an explore for a long time. Must be October last year when we did that haunting video, whatever it was, you know. So to come back and clock this has actually made my day, mate. Wow, look at that, guys. The place is absolutely battered. I think it's being set on fire at some point too. I can't smell fire, but it looks like it up there. If you see, we've got a little pigeon up there. I don't know if you can make him or them out. There we go. Might get a bit grainy in here with the dodgy lighting situation. Got another old door there, and then if you look here, I believe that is where the old fire surround stems from. But look at the tile work on that. I'm sure we saw some of that in the old night watchman's quarters. If you look there, there would have been some kind of mural on the wall. You can see the actual shape of it there as it goes round, you know. I wonder what that would have said or depicted. Look at that, man. One of the last remaining, well, the last remaining section of Beehive Mill, which I must admit is one of the grandest places I've ever explored. I'll never forget doing that one. I did that with my mate Reese and a girl called Miranda back in the day. Scottish girl. Let me flick that torch, see if it helps us in any way. Got the old toilets, but look at the tile work there, guys, as well. Even that is pretty old school, man. And look at that classic light switch. We definitely came across a few of them. I mean, look at these. These are like original 60s, 70s, maybe even earlier toilet cubicles. You've got the tile work all the way around there with the like the dado rail or whatever you call it. You can see this room was originally painted green as well, and it's been later covered with wallpaper. But if you look, these are actual cubicles, proper old school cubicles. Hope it's not too grainy, but get an opportunity like this, you take it regardless of what you're shooting on. Just look at that, man. What a sight. If we focus on the sky outside, look at that. Such a cool little shot. We're pushing. Oh wow, there you go, guys. Look, that is what originally would have been up in the dome. Right up there. That is crazy, that is. So the remnants of it are still here. Just another little room. Not much to be seen. Old filing cabinet. There is something written on the whiteboard over there. Oh wow, look, yeah. We've got another one of those Stunning little fireplaces. And that one, look at that, guys, how cool is that? You can actually see where a bird has, is that an egg in there? Oh my lord, look at that, guys. Not only has it been nesting, it's still nesting in there. And it's, one of its eggs is in there. That is so cool. So yeah, there is still a section of the old mill here, and it does indeed have some inhabitants falling to pieces up there. I just wanted to have a nosy. If you look there, you can see, let's flick that off a sec so it doesn't flicker. Guards handover notes. So we do indeed have some files. IT department. Let's have a look because I want to see if there's any dates on here. Friday the 15th of the 2nd 2013. There you go, guys. Let's try and focus you in on that. Sorry, there we go, look, 2013. No way, man. Yeah, I forget when it actually shut down, but I think I covered it around 2018, possibly 2019. 3 or 4 years ago it was. So yeah, there we go. Quite a while back. You look there, you can see the old police number. Are we focused there or what? Hey up. Sorry, I'm operating with a phone. We've got a, what's that one say? Courier service. Yeah, so just an old filing cabinet. And there it says, I shopped according to a special delivery. I checked out knowing my something. Yeah, just some old stuff, possibly to do with catalogue days. I think there is someone out back now, guys. So I'm going to be a bit quiet. Can't believe that kid followed me now. Great, that innit? That's all I needed. He's probably gone and grass me up. Dad, there's a weirdo who's gone in there. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all there is left to see in here, guys. I know there's little bits of fittings and whatnot, but look at the floor there. But pretty much I think I'm gonna take some shots and then I'm gonna bail this one because I may have already attracted too much attention. So I think we'll take one last look at this room here, and then what we'll do is push out the way that many of the original workers would have done so back in the day. And now we can definitively call it a day on Bolton's once cherished and iconic skyline dominating Beehive Mill. Just as a dark cloud is looming over us. Nice one for watching, guys. hopefully we shall see you in the next vid. Take it easy, man. Peace.